Most Swagbucks survey disqualifications happen because the survey provider flags inconsistent answers, not because your account is actually banned or broken. By the end of this, you'll know why surveys kick you out, how to reduce disqualifications, and what actually increases your chances of completing more surveys. The first thing to understand is that Swagbucks doesn't fully control survey eligibility. The surveys are run by third-party companies, and they filter users based on demographics like age, location, device type, and past answers. If your responses don't match what they're looking for, you get disqualified within the first few questions. Start by being consistent with your profile. If your Swagbucks profile says one thing and your survey answers say another, the system will treat it as unreliable data. Keep your basic details stable, especially age range, employment status, and household information. Next, avoid rushing through the first screening questions. Most disqualifications happen in the first 30 to 60 seconds because the system detects fast clicking or inconsistent patterns. Answer normally and take a few seconds to read each question carefully so your responses look natural. Device and connection stability also matters. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data during surveys can cause session errors that look like invalid behavior. Use one stable connection and avoid using VPNs because they often trigger automatic filtering. If you are getting disqualified from almost every survey, take a break and reset your activity. Completing too many low-quality attempts in a short period can reduce your survey eligibility score on some partner systems. Waiting a short period before trying again can help restore normal access. Also, check for browser issues. Clearing cache and cookies can fix cases where outdated session data causes repeated disqualifications. After clearing, log back in and try a fresh survey session. There is no official way to force acceptance into every survey. Even fully valid users get disqualified because surveys are built with strict quotas. The goal is not to eliminate disqualifications completely, but to reduce them by improving consistency and stability. The key points are simple. Keep your profile information consistent. Use a stable device and connection. And avoid rushing through screening questions. Your next step is to update your profile details if needed. Then try a fresh survey session on a stable connection without switching networks. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for Swagbucks and reward survey platforms.